Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up RSI on TradingView step by step. Open TradingView and load the chart you want to work on, then click Indicators and type RSI to add it. Next, open the RSI settings gear to change length, source, and display style so the indicator fits your time frame. I'll demonstrate common length values, show overbought and oversold lines, and save a template for quick reuse anytime. Let's customize RSI so it fits your strategy and your chart view. Start with length adjustments. Lower values react faster while higher values smooth noise for longer trends. Try switching the source to close, HLC3, or typical price and observe signal differences. Add 70 and 30 lines for standard settings or 80 and 20 for stricter filters. Finally, update colors, thickness, and save this as your default template for future charts. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a book that can change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with learning better trading habits. Take a peek in the description for the link and extra deals I mention, then grab what helps you most. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll interpret RSI signals and apply them practically on your chart. Look for bullish or bearish divergence between price and RSI as early reversal clues, and always confirm with trend indicators or volume. Use crossovers of the 30 or 70 lines as entry or exit triggers, and set alerts so you never miss a move. I'll walk through examples on different timeframes and show how to manage false signals with filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.